When Dometic approached me, immediately I felt it is the right fit. My priority is finding a company that will ensure the growth, the innovation, the design work of Twin Eagles. And I really felt and I believe that Dometic is the right company and Twin Eagles is in the right hands for the future. Right after college, my first job was a design engineer for residential refrigeration and cooking equipment. Then when I moved to the US, my first job was engineering designer for commercial cooking equipment for the restaurant. And that world is very tough. You have to consistently outperform your competition. A very competitive market. You know, in the commercial side, competitors do not sleep. So you want to always be ahead of them. And I think my association with the American Society of Gas Engineers, where I serve as the national president, gave me an edge on technical knowledge and connections. And that's what culminated to receiving the Dana Myers Award for leadership in the barbecue industry. And that's where I learned that performance and reliability is at utmost important. Because in a restaurant, an equipment failure is not just an inconvenience, it will mean loss of customers or even loss of revenue. So I've been put that in my mind, shows quality is very important, and it takes a team effort, even in the factory, from the fabrication guys, to welders, the assemblers, up to the packaging. They have to look at the quality to make sure it's the right equipment, they're doing the right thing. And I always tell my team is that if you're doing something, might as well do it the best you can, because your work is a reflection of yourself. And this is what we continued. Every day we practice that principle at Twin Eagles. Twin Eagles started as an OEM manufacturer. We design and build grills for other well-known brands. But some of the clients shift their production to China, looking for lower price despite sacrificing quality and design. We are not up to that. We're not going after lower price. So what we decided is to launch our own Twin Eagles products. That way we can create products for customers who value design, performance, and reliability. And we made the right move. We were able to establish a premium, high-end, quality brand that is made in America. My wife Fanny, who is also an engineer, has been with me along the step of the way from the very beginning. She handled accounting, finance, and she's the executive vice president. And of course, every product I design and manufacture, I ask for feedback. After all, a high-end grill has to appeal not only the husband but also the wife. It must possess strength and beauty. My daughter Karen, who's been with us from the very beginning, she handled accounting and human resources. The twins, they've also been involved with the company. My son, Dante Anthony, joined us immediately after graduating as a mechanical engineer. The other twin, Alisa, helped us during summers. Even my late father-in-law, everybody at the shop calls him Tata, means father. He was deeply involved in production. So the company have been geared as a family-oriented company, and that is Twin Eagles. It's all about products that I'm very proud of. Two comes into my mind. The Twin Eagles pellet grill. It does everything. It grills, it bakes, it even rotis. using wood pellets, and it can even sear using briquette trays or even charcoal. It's got its own integrated lights and integrated rotisserie. It's way ahead its competition. And of course, the Eagle One. You know, the Eagle One, oh man, that's the culmination of all the design, all the efforts that we have done. It's a perfect masterpiece. It's a work of art. It is something that you'll be very proud to pass it to the next generation. Family travel is our priority now that I'm retired. I'm very, very much involved. The whole family is very much involved in community service. In the Philippines, we have a foundation that sponsors engineering students. And also we cover the graduation cost of elementary students. It's the way of giving back to the community because we've been blessed. And when we are staying home, I just love spending time in our backyard, especially in my beautiful outdoor kitchen. So still doing what I love the most. I'm Dante Cantal, founder of Twin Eagles.